Hello guys, this is Sydney, and in this video I'm going to guide you how to use the updated version of Google Flow VEO3. So first of all, after you click on new project, you can see the interface that looks like this. And now you can click here, Nano Banana, and you can see we can create image and video. You see they change, okay? So for the image first, you can choose the size, landscape or portrait, and of course we choose portrait all the times. And how many images do you want to create? 1, 2, 3 or 4? And the model, we always choose Nano Banana Pro. Okay, now you have the image set up, and you can click on this plus button right here. And do you see the small icon right here? You can click on that one. Now you can choose the base image of your AI avatar, and it will be uploaded right here. And now you can paste the prompt of what you want to create with your AI avatar, and just wait for it to be uploaded. And now we're gonna create a new image by click on this arrow button. You see it right here, and now I'm gonna create one. And you can see that it is creating right now. While we are waiting for it, let's go to the video section right here. And you can see we have ingredients to video or frames to video. And we're going to choose ingredient to videos. Okay, click on this one. And also you can upload the image by click on this plus button like previous time, and click on the icon right here to upload an image. Okay. And let's check more where we have frames to video right here. Okay, and we don't use that one if you don't want to create a video with a start and end frame. All right. And the portrait size is what we often use, so you can choose this one. Again, make sure you are choosing ingredients to video so you can upload the image of your AI avatar. Portrait, okay, and how many videos you want to create? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Let's choose 1 to save our credits. If you are using a model, an account that requires credits. And now you can click on the model, and you can see VEO3.1 Fast will cost 10 credits like before. VEO3.1 Fast but lower quality will still remain 0 credits. So if you have an Ultra account, you can create unlimited videos. Okay, and for VEO3.1 quality, it's gonna cost 100 credits, just like usual. And there's no VEO2 Fast or VEO2 quality anymore because it has no audio. So basically, I would prefer to use VEO3.1 Fast, a lower priority, because it doesn't cost any credits. Okay, so you can click here and upload an image to animate it. So I just randomly pick an image. Just wait for it to generate, and you can put a prompt in here. Okay, and you can generate. And now it's right here, and you can click on this plus button, and you can click on animate it. And these photos are created right here. So what you want to do next to animate this, look at this. You can see the 3 dots right here, right? And you can click on add to prompt or animate, okay? And the same thing you can see here, add to prompt and animate. You can choose either of them, it's fine, okay? Either of them. After that, you can put your prompt in here and click on generate, and your video will be right here like this. Okay, and to download that one, similar. Just go to the 3 dots button here and click on download, and you can see you can upscale it and it will be downloaded. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's just a little bit different from the old version, but the process is exactly the same. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Have a great day. Bye.